Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a CorelDRAW a graphic suit 2024 without crack. This is a legal version, original version. Now all you have to do just simply a type CorelDRAW graphic suit on your browser. This is for first time user or dummy, sorry. So here you can click CorelDRAW graphic suit 2024. So this is the comparison, like one-time purchases, subscription, the old version, and so on. And how you can download, how you can get, you can go to the home page, and here we go. Professional graphic design software, new CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2024. So you can try it for free before you purchase this software. And here we go. This is the CorelDRAW Graphics Suite web trial. So you can sign in into your CorelDRAW in this browser. No installation needed. Looking to try full CorelDRAW graphics suite, you can locate the download button in the web trial. So the first thing to do, you can sign in with your account, or you can sign in or continue with your Facebook or Google account. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.